Kurt, how do you, we're all getting all these messages, these text messages on our phones because it's political season and we're still, weeks away from the election. What do we do about these text messages if we don't want to receive them? And how can we tell they're not scams?
I am, goodness gracious, this is hitting my cell phone text message. Nonstop, and I'm getting complaints of people with the same thing. And by the way, political text messages coming at you from a party that you don't even have an affiliation with. I don't know. Are they trying to get us to switch over? I have no earthly idea. But what I do know is that it's really difficult to remove these, but you can block them. And I'm showing you how to do that at CyberGuy.com later this morning, especially if you get the newsletter for free. You will get this. So replying with the word stop doesn't often work, but campaigns are simply buying personal data and then looking up public voting data, and then they target us with these messages like, oh, you got to do this, you got to do that. And you're like, please stop the garbage coming at my phone. So if you want to block these, you can't put yourself on that do not call registry because political messages are exempt from that. But at CyberGuy.com, I will show you how to do this.